When working with Arduino boards, you have a couple of options for the programming environment that you use. The first choice is the Arduino Desktop IDE, which is software that can be downloaded and installed on your computer. To download and install the IDE from the main Arduino webpage, you can click on the software link at the top and then click on Downloads. This is the option that most Arduino users are familiar with. There's a version of the IDE for Windows, Mac, and Linux. The benefit of this option is that once it is installed, you don't necessarily need an internet connection to work on your Arduino projects. However, the newer approach is using the Arduino Web Editor. In fact, that is the approach we will be using for this course. To get to the editor, from the top software menu, you can click on Online Tools. Alternatively, you can enter the link create.arduino.cc in a browser. Both of these options get you to the main Arduino Create page. You can then click on the Arduino Web Editor. Using the Web Editor instead of the Desktop IDE is beneficial for a variety of reasons. The first is the Web IDE is always kept up to date by the Arduino group. You no longer have to install updates or worry about incorporating the latest developments in your projects. These will be available automatically for you once you use the Web Editor. Another reason is that the Web IDE integrates seamlessly with the Arduino IoT Cloud. Since we will be working with IoT projects, you can work on your code and manage your properties and things and tie all of these easily together on the web and cloud platforms. Finally, your projects reside in the cloud, and once you have access to a browser and the internet, you'll be able to view and work on your projects from anywhere. The web editor also makes it easier to export your projects, import existing projects, find third-party libraries, and as well as collaborate with others on projects. There is still a small component called the Arduino Create plugin that has to be installed, but working with the web editor is very flexible and convenient. We will become very familiar with the web editor and its capabilities as we progress through this course, and there is an entire section devoted to describing its various features. Let's now move on to installing the Arduino Create plugin, which is needed to allow our web browser to communicate with our Arduino board.